Hello everyone, my name is Doskaliyeva Shynar and this is my report for Beta Carry program. My task for these 2 weeks was to collect primary and secondary data. The primary data include gathering macroeconomic indicators, while the secondary data involved selecting a sample only from those contracts that show signs of impairment. After that, I needed to aggregate this data to build a second-stage PD model. To collect historical data, I used the archive section of National Bureau of Statistics website Taldau. We choose the needed indicators, set the period to get monthly data, and compile them. Next, we create an Excel file to compile the macroeconomic data. We'll generate data from June 2019 to July 2025. And at the first column, the basic consumer price index. We take the available data for that period and insert it into our Excel file, repeating the same process for other macroeconomic indicators. Here you can see the dataset where I collect 50 macroeconomic indicators. The key metrics include the consumer price index, inflation rate, employment rate, unemployment rate, and exchange rates for currencies such as euro, US dollar, Russian ruble, and Chinese yuan, as well oil price, gold price, and many additional indicators. However, there are some issues because the data certain periods is missing, but we will address this during the data preprocessing stage. Let's move on the Jupyter notebook. For second stage impairment, we take only the contracts with 31 60 days past due and the 61 90 days past due, and with an active status. Now we have a dataset that contains only the contracts we need. Next, we load the macroeconomic data that they previously collected, and then we merge the datasets. As a result, we now have the final dataset that we can use for building second stage PD model. So it's all for today. Bye bye.